Do you want to know how to withdraw Sol from BullX? So in this video, I will show you how to just do that. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can just head over first into our BullX. If you don't know how to find it, you can head over and search for it into your browser. And you just need to click onto this connect Telegram in order to connect those two together. So this right now is my Telegram with the BullX open. So from there, just head over and click on BullX and just go over right here to your portfolio. So if you have any holdings, you can see it right here. You can see your Ethereum, your Solana, and the likes. So if you want to withdraw those, you just need to click on those particular portfolio that you have. And then you should be able to have the option to manage your wallet. You can also click on just BullX right here and click on this wallet manager. Now you can see this. Now click onto this withdraw option and then just click on this add withdraw wallet. And then you can choose in here the wallet type. It can be EVM or Solana as well. And then from there, just enter your wallet name as well as your wallet address. Once you have added those to your withdrawal wallet, you can head over and then just withdraw your SOL from BullX to that particular wallet.